Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a glitch effect on for your images on Higgsfield AI. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your account on Higgsfield AI, which allows you, this platform actually allows you to create the best of the best visual effects for your videos and even images. So to create this glitch effect, just log in and click on Higgsfield AI, the Higgsfield so rather, then click on the glitch area. You would see you'll be taken to a page similar to what I have displayed on my screen. This reminds me of the Spider-Man movies, Across the Multiverse and Into the Multiverse. So this is how you can create an image in this way. You can just click on any image that you like to emulate, and let's assume I want to create something like this. I'll just click on it, and it will take me to a page here. On this page I can just click on create, and it will copy the prompt for you, and take you to this page where you can actually recreate or modify the prompt to give you what you actually want. So you can actually just do that and then click generate. This is generating with 2 credits if you want it in the high, but if you want basic you can switch to it, and then to give you 1 credit for generation. It will use 1 credit for generation. It means and Higgsfield gives you about 5 credits per day for generation, so you can actually use that to your advantage. And once you're done, just hit generate. Your picture will be generated in this way, where you can actually animate it by making it into a video or adding speech to it in this area, and then proceed to download it to your PC. And there you have it, guys. So if you have any question concerning this, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys there. Also, please subscribe to our channel. We are actively trying to grow. Have a great day, guys.